Hi, second graders. Today we are going to be talking about adjectives. Now, I know you've heard about adjectives before because we have talked about them in second grade, and I'm sure your first grade teachers have also taught you about adjectives. So, just as a review, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. And if you remember, a noun is a person, place, thing, or animal. Also, some adjectives tell what kind or how many. So you could ask yourself those two questions when you're trying to find an adjective in a sentence. You can say, what kind of candy? And then your adjective might be a sweet candy. Or how many children? And your answer to that might be 3 children. So let's look at some different adjectives we might have. So we have the color yellow, the number 85, the word furry, if you're using to describe maybe a rug, a furry rug, or a furry pet, the word wild, sour, the taste of something, loud, the sound of something, gigantic, the size of something, or round, the shape of something. So let's do some examples together. So I have the adjectives and the definition of an adjective up here, just in case you forget. So let's read this sentence together. Grandpa packed a healthy snack. So let's go through and let's find our nouns first of all, because we know adjectives describe a noun. So person, place, thing, or animal. So is grandpa a noun? Yes, grandpa is a noun. Grandpa is a person. So we're going to put an N above that. Now, is there a word describing grandpa? No, there's not a word describing grandpa. So we don't have an adjective attached to grandpa. So let's go through our other words and see if they are nouns. Packed. Is packed a noun? No, packed is a verb. That is something that you can do as an action word. How about A? Is A noun? No. Healthy, is healthy a noun? Person, place, thing, or animal? No, it is not. How about snack? Yes, snack is a noun. Now, is there a word that describes what kind of snack Grandpa packed? So, what kind of snack? Again, we're using that question up here. What kind? Well, we know Grandpa packed a healthy snack. Healthy is our adjective. Now, something else that you can do to figure out if it's an adjective is if I was to take this adjective out, our sentence would still make sense. Okay, so let's try it. Grandpa packed a snack. Does that sentence make sense? Yes, it does. If I was to take out, let's say, packed, would this sentence make sense? Grandpa, a healthy snack. No, that does not make sense at all. So we know that healthy is the adjective because it is describing our noun of snack. Okay, let's go to another example. I splashed cold water on my face. Okay, so again, let's find our nouns. So water is a noun, and face is a noun. Now, let's go to water, first of all. So water. Is there a word that is describing the water? What kind of water are we talking about? We are talking about cold water. So cold is our adjective. Now I'm writing ADJ, and it's kind of hard to write with these tools, boys and girls, so please forgive me. It's not the best handwriting. ADJ is just a shortened version of adjective, okay? And so let's go over to face. Let's see if we have 2 adjectives in this sentence. Is there a word describing the face? No, there's not. Now, some of your teachers might have called adjectives. You might think of them as wow words or purple words. Okay, they are words that give your sentence a little more wow. Okay, let's try to take this word out and let's see if our sentence still makes sense. I splashed water on my face. Does that sentence make sense? Yes, it does. That sentence still makes sense, but it is a much better sentence with the word cold in there because then you know exactly what kind of water was splashed on that person's face. Let's do one more example. The fuzzy yellow chicks were so cute. So now let's look for our noun. Our only noun in this sentence is chicks. Okay. Now, what word or words are describing the word chicks? If you said yellow, you were correct. Yellow is an adjective, and it tells what kind. It actually, to be more specific, it tells what color were those little chicks. There's one more adjective in this sentence. Yes, good job. If you said fuzzy, excellent. Fuzzy is also describing the chicks. So let's see if we take our adjectives out of the sentence, if the sentence still makes sense. The chicks were so cute. Now I want you guys to think back if you've ever gone to Rule King in the springtime. You probably haven't gone here recently, but in past years, and you look and the Rule King has the little ducks, the ducklings, and the chicks, the baby chickens. So think back to that. And those fuzzy yellow chicks were so cute. Now, if you just say the chicks were so cute, that's a sentence. That's an okay sentence. But my boys and girls, you know, I tell you, give me a good second grade sentence. Give me those wow words. The fuzzy yellow chicks were so cute. You can picture that right now as I read that. You can picture them being fuzzy and yellow. You know their color because of the adjectives. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed your lesson on adjectives today, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.